In this video, we will tell you how to make a TFS 200AQ chips floor. A paint coating made of colored water dispersion of epoxy resin, covered with colored flakes. The floor presented in this video is an easy to make and relatively cheap paint coating made of water dispersion of epoxy resin. The TFS 200AQ chips is an excellent way to quickly and easily refresh rooms such as basements, small workshops or technical rooms. Thanks to the perfectly selected consistency of the material, it can be easily applied on floor surfaces as well as vertical parts of stairs or walls. The specificity of the material consisting in the use of an aqueous dispersion of epoxy resin makes it very useful in rooms exposed to increased humidity. The surface is covered with Aquaplast 200 resin are vapor permeable, which allows them to breathe freely, thus regulating the level of moisture.
Before applying the first layer of the floor, it is necessary to ensure proper preparation of the substrate by grinding it with a concrete abrasive stone and thoroughly vacuuming it. Then, prepare the material for the first layer of the floor, which in this technology will also be the primer. We start preparing the material by weighing the appropriate amount of the component A and then the component B. When measuring flooring materials, the volumetric method should not be used because it is not very accurate. The weight method is appropriate. Weighed materials should be mixed for about 2 minutes, a low-speed mixer. Now 10% of water has to be added to the pre-mixed material and mixed again. The material prepared in this way must be poured into a new container and mixed again for about 1 minute. The prepared material should be evenly spread on the previously planned working area and rolled with a resin roller using the cross-rolling method. The coating should be left for about 12 hours for initial setting. After this time, you can start applying the second, final layer of the floor. To do this, prepare and mix another portion of the material, remembering that this time you do not use the addition of water. Water was a necessary addition only in the case of the primer. Similarly to the previously mixed material, we spread it evenly on the previously planned working area and then roll it using the cross-rolling method. After painting, we immediately start applying the colored petals. Remember to use spiked shoes because you will need to walk on the freshly applied resin. We apply the flakes by tossing a small amount of them up so that they fall evenly like snowflakes. The activity should be repeated until a uniformly top-filled surface with the expected top-fill density is obtained. After covering the entire planned surface, leave it to bind the resin for about 12 hours, and then optionally, you can start applying the matte varnish. Provided that it is cured at a temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, the floor is suitable for light loads after about 24 hours and obtains full resistance after 7 days.